question 3, part F. What is the probability that the game was not won in any of the next 3 points played? So we'll write down probability game not won in or within the next 3 points equals. Well, look at the possibilities of ways that that could happen. The only way that the game could not be won is if Barry loses the first point. Because if Zoe won the first point, then Zoe would win the whole game. It would be 22-20. But let's suppose that Barry gets the next point, then Zoe gets a point after that, and then Barry gets the point after that. Then the game is not won, because the scores are tied up at 22-22. Alright, so that's a possibility, and let's write that possibility down. So we're looking at Barry getting a point, 0.45, and then after that, Zoe getting a point, 0.55, and after that, if we look over here, Barry getting a point, the third point, 0.45. So, looking at Barry getting the first point, Zoe getting the second point, Barry getting the third point. All of those have to happen. This and this and this. Times, use times for and. Or use plus. So, or the other possibility is that Barry gets the first point, then Barry gets the second point, and then Zoe gets the third point, and the game is not won if that happens as well. So we could write down or plus for or, 0.45 times, which means and next point is gained by Barry as well, 0.45, and the next point after that is gained by Zoe, 0.55. Gained by Zoe, final point, and the game is still not won after Zoe gets that third point. Alright, so either that could happen or this could happen, and the game is not won. So let's work out what that works out to be. On the calculator we can type that out, 0.45 times 0.55 times 0.45 plus 0.45 times 0.45 times 0.55, and the answer is 0.22275 to 5 decimal places.